Hi guys, I hope you can see me okay. It got a little too hot, so I took my jacket off. But I wanted to quickly show you what's in my bag. So this is the bag I've been wearing recently and I've been loving. This is the Louis Vuitton Giant Monogram Spring Summer Collection 2019. So I did get a Speedy organizer, so it's not sagging as much, as you can see. And I did get the Clochette hot stamp, so that's currently at the store. So this is what it looks like at the moment. Okay, so in the zip pocket I have my car keys, which I'm actually on the hunt for a 6-key clay, 6-key organizer. Let's just hold it like this. And in one of the pockets, let me see. In one of the pockets, I have 2 diapers, another phone, and I have my personal phone right here. I have this Dolce & Gabbana card holder, which has just rewards points, loyalty cards, and things like that. And then I have some coupons, some checks I need to deposit, some receipts. Put that there. And then I have car receipts, since I got one of our cars needed some repairs done. What is this? What is this? This is just a Louis Vuitton tag. And then this is a Louis Vuitton receipt because I did buy some items that you will see soon. And then I have our checkbook. I have business card. I have my charging cable and a, what is this called? A charging pack? I don't know, a battery pack. That's what that's called. And then I have my key clay, which I do use for as my wallet. And I have a mini travel size lipstick. And then I have my vintage pochette accessoire. And this just has like some makeup, a hairbrush, mascara. Oh, I was looking for this. So I have a Chanel pin right here that I do need to find. So I purchased it like this because the thing in the back, it's missing, so I do need to put some like a pin or something to fix that. I have another check in here, checkbook, loyalty card. What else do I have? A fashion file, nail file, because you never know. And actually, because of this bag, I have transitioned into a big bag mindset now. So I'm like looking at all these big bags. I'm looking at the on-the-go tote, and oh, I just love the giant monogram print. But yeah, so let me show you guys the organizer I have in here. It fits super snug. So this is it, and I bought this on eBay for like $12. Oh, I do have like some eyeglass cleaner in the pockets. It looks like this. The middle piece is completely detachable, so if you want your stuff just there, or you can put this. It has some Velcro in it to give you more organization. I don't see like a, what is it called, a tag or anything. So so I'm assuming there's no brand on it. But if I were to just use the bag without the organizer, it would just sag. And I tried it without the organizer and it'll just look like that, and I didn't like it. It wasn't as structured, and it was really like top heavy because I do have these chains on here. So I have this rainbow chain, which before today I had this one and the longer piece where the gold is currently sitting, but I thought I'd switch it up. I'm currently looking for the gold chain to match. It just looks a little bit more I don't know, it makes it have a little bit more personality opposed to just the leather strap. The leather strap just looks more casual and I wanted it to look more edgy. But yeah, that is my what's in my bag. Let me put this back in here. Okay, and that's everything I have in my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Please subscribe.